Good morning. It's just turned 7 a.m. and it's light. Like, we have daylight, which means spring is coming. So if you're not really a lover of the dark mornings or the dark nights as in, you know, dark at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, then just know that lighter days are coming and the days are going to be much longer, which means we've got much more time. So what an appropriate time with spring coming than to get it all done with a little bit of spring cleaning, clean with me, cleaning motivation this morning. I hope that you've had a lovely relaxing Sunday morning and reserved all of your energy for this. Well, you don't need lots of energy. It's not like a mammoth marathon clean. It's just a nice little gentle, when I say gentle, you know, it's a clean with me. I'm not going to dress it up, I'm not going to dress it down. It is a clean with me. I filmed this video not long after we had a leak in the bathroom. My toilet broke. Yeah, it full on broke. Last Sunday, during a problem with YouTube, with last Sunday's video, you may have noticed I uploaded it at 6 or 7, it was 6 o'clock in the night. I uploaded the YouTube video because I was on my way to my yoga class with Lou and the toilet broke, and then I had a copyright claim off that video, so I had to take it down. Couldn't find the license number for the track that I'd used for that YouTube video because you can only use royalty-free music. Couldn't find the license number anyway, so I had to re-upload it on Monday. I wasn't gonna re-upload it because I tend to just waffle on about stuff, and at the moment I'm feeling a little bit like I'm not bringing any value, so I don't want to waste your time. But I decided to upload it because I was speaking about the cost of living crisis during a segment of that video, which was probably about a 25-minute video, but that segment was a very important 5 minutes to me because the cost of living crisis is affecting us all, and it was important for me to re-upload that video. So I uploaded it on Monday, and today I thought I would bring you a lovely bit of cleaning motivation. I'm just going to give you a quick update. I've had quite a lot of comments on my YouTube videos asking when my YouTube upload schedule is. I don't currently have an upload schedule. I'm a fly by the seat of my pants type of girl. 45 years old. Type of woman. We often forget, don't we? I'm young at heart. I don't have an upload schedule, but I do try to upload a video every Sunday. I used to do a Wednesday and a Sunday, but I think because I participated in Vlogtober and Vlogmas, it kind of threw us all out of sync a little bit, and people may have presumed that I upload a lot more regular on YouTube, and I don't. I upload on a Sunday, and sometimes I throw in a little sweetener on a Wednesday. I did say during Vlogtober, when I was, you know, really in the throes, is it the throes? It's the throes of passion, but I don't know. Anyway, when I was in a routine of vlogging daily, oh my gosh, when I was in a routine of vlogging daily, I really did enjoy it, and I, you know, genuinely, hands on heart, was going to miss it when I weren't going to be vlogging anymore. And I carried on with some regular uploads during November, and then we have Vlogmas. And I would love nothing more than to spend more time with you, but unfortunately I just don't have the time to be able to create the vlog style content. And I know that's what a majority of my audience wants, is the vlog style content where you get to see a little bit behind the scenes of the creator. But unfortunately, I just don't have the time with work commitments and life commitments. I'm going to upload every Sunday, and I'm going to stick to it, and I'll try and throw a little sweetener in on a Wednesday if I go anywhere specific. The next little thing was I was due to have the Neptune inspired cabinets built in my kitchen on the 14th, not the 14th, it's Valentine's Day, the 19th of February. Paul the joiner was coming to fit them. I logged into Instagram about a week ago, and he'd messaged saying he couldn't make it because he'd been called for jury service, so he'd have to reschedule to the 7th of March. Now, the 7th of March was fine for me, but I had got to that message a little bit late. And when I messaged him and said 7th of March is fine, diary's okay to have that work done. I can do a little bit of juggling around. He got back to me maybe 5 days ago and said he can't come until the 28th of March. Now I can't do the 28th of March because I have spring fairs and lots of work commitments throughout March and April that I just can't dedicate the time to having the built-in cabinets done. So they're on pause at the moment, but I do have other things coming instead because I'd save the money to have those built-in cabinets done. So I've put it into the house and there are some lovely little things coming. I've wrote my eldest brother Arjon in to do some work on Monday, so he's coming on Monday, and I've got some lovely little changes which you'll see at some point next week. But not next week, the week after, because you're watching this on Sunday. So it will be not the coming week, the week after, because the work will be finished in time. So anyway, let's get on with my cleaning video because I've probably rambled for about 5 minutes and what's new there? We're going to start clearing out the dust bunnies first of all, and my house is full of them. They're in every corner, they're all over the shutters, they're down the back of the sofa. So I started with cleaning the shutters using my Mrs. Myers multi-purpose cleaner, which smells absolutely lovely. Now I really should have took the camera down here with me so you could see the amount of dust that was sat on top of the skirting board. When I tell you there was a lot, there really was a lot. These extendable dusters, microfiber dusters, whatever you want to call them, are the best thing ever for those hard to reach places. If you don't want to carry the weight of a vacuum cleaner, or yours doesn't have the attachment to be able to do your picture rails and ceilings, it's worth spending the couple of pounds on one of these because they really are great, and you can pop the head off it, put it in the washing machine, pop it back on, and it's good to go for next time. On all the pictures and mirrors, I'm using a damp glass e-cloth, which is absolutely great for not smearing or leaving any marks behind when you polish any surfaces. It's absolutely great. I highly recommend them. If you have problems where there's heat source like radiator or fire or a glass coffee table, it's really hard to get it streak free where there's a heat source. So using a damp e-cloth really does help to stop the streaks and keep the dust at bay. And now for some fine old cushion karate chopping. I feel like I'm being mean to these cushions when I do it, but I just prefer this look. I know not everybody loves it. I was doing this long before the Instagram trend of cushion chopping. It's a very Norwegian Scandi thing to do, and that was where I seen it years ago. I'm talking maybe 8 or 9 years ago. They're perfect cream sofas with stunning cushions on and all karate chops in the middle. It just gives the cushions a more chunky, fatter, fuller, fluffier look, and I think because I have a cushion back sofa, it keeps it looking fuller for longer. A bit like porridge with your belly. Please tell me I'm not alone when I do this. They were Christmas cushion covers that I've just took off the sofa, and yeah, it's February and I had Merry Christmas on the front of them, but I just spun them round so you couldn't see the Merry Christmas and left them. I think that's pretty good going considering last year I had the autumn cushions on the sofa until I swapped them for the Christmas ones. Now that's the living room nice and clean, time to light some wax melts and burning black orchids, which smells absolutely stunning. I'm going to pop that in the living room on the radiator cover and just let that scent waft around in the nice clean room. There is no better feeling than knowing that somewhere has had a nice deep clean. There's no more dust bunnies in there. We can relax if we want to. But now it's time to tackle the big mess, which is the room where we sit and watch TV. Yeah, I'm hoovering the sofa because that's just such a normal thing to do. Like, no, that is not a normal thing to do, but it now is. I'm trying to record the voiceover and I'm just laughing. Like, it's such a normal thing to do, but yet it looks so wrong when I'm editing. I'm like, no, Toni, you're vacuuming the sofa. This corner is a dust magnet. It really is. It is the worst corner in the house. Feathers go there, fluff goes there, dust goes there, food, crumbs, you name it. Everything lives in this corner. I hoover twice a day at least. Plus I have a robot vacuum that vacuums my floor at 6 o'clock every morning. Obviously it can't get behind these tables or anything, and sometimes it can knock and get stuck in a corner because, as it would seem, every single corner is filled in my house. So one thing about the decor changes that I have got coming is I'm so excited about freeing this corner up so no more dust bunnies can live there. If you're watching in this exact spot right now, leave me a comment down below and let me know who you think I look like. I personally think I look like the Incredible Hulk. I've got ripped jeans on, big thick woolly socks and a green jumper. I think it's the rips in the bottom of my jeans, but I look like the Incredible Hulk and I just can't move past it. I'm laughing more than anything with this voiceover. I can't carry on because I cannot see past it. Like, I am the Incredible Hulk. Noah, move. The Incredible Hulk is right behind you. I don't think I'm ever going to get over this voiceover, you know. I've got to try and take it a little bit serious because not everybody may get my sense of humour, but oh, I look ridiculous. That is the sitting room, nice and tidy and smelling gorgeous with my own wax melts, which are black orchids, all available on my website and Etsy shop. I'm really struggling. I'm not going to lie, I'm struggling. I have just finished recording the voiceover for this video and I had a wardrobe malfunction, a serious wardrobe malfunction. I thankfully did not go out that day and no one was harmed or injured during the production of this video. I didn't change. I looked like the Incredible Hulk and I could not move past it. I honestly have just struggled doing the voiceover for that video and I'm trying to say, be professional, Toni, come on. And then I thought, you know, would you expect me to come on and be all professional and, you know, avoid the elephant in the room that Toni's dressed up as the Incredible Hulk for their spring clean? Oh my good Lord. Never again will I wear that combination of green jumper and ripped jeans because I'm never going to unsee that. I will laugh about this video for a long time. I hope that you've enjoyed it and it has give you a little bit of cleaning motivation. And if it didn't give you cleaning motivation, if anything, it gave you a little laugh. I highly recommend the extendable dust magnets in the voiceover of the video. Anyway, in the voiceover of the video, I did say that these can come off and go into the washing machines, not these ones. But you can buy them, and I have had them before. If you've been around for a long time, you'll have seen them, where you just pull it off, pop it in the washing machine and wash it. These ones are not washable. So you probably get one go by the look of the dust on that, but I'm not surprised, you know. I live in a house that is nearly 100 years old, so it does get dusty, but they're not washable, these ones. They are just ones that you will use until it's no longer got any life in it, but they are great. I mean, if I extend this, I have, can you see? You can't see. I have very high ceilings. I can't reach the ceilings here, but you know, I can reach on top of the kitchen cupboards, no bother at all, without having to reach or stretch. They're the best thing ever, if you don't want to carry the weight of the Hoover. But anyway, that's it. Enough rambling about the Incredible Hulk and my amazing little extendable dusters. I will link as many things as I can in the description box down below. If you've got any questions, leave them down below and I will get back to you there. I've got some amazing surprises coming up in the next few videos that you're going to see. I cannot wait to share them with you, and thank you so much for watching and spending a little bit of time out of your day with me. I hope you have an amazing Sunday and I will see you all on Wednesday for my saving video.